In this recipe you can learn all type of naan, like butter naan, coriander butter naan, garlic coriander butter naan with each step-by-step process. Let its recipe with all its ingredients. At first, I take 1 cup of hot water and add 1 teaspoon of sugar with it and mix it well. Then, I add 1 tablespoon or 15 gram activated yeast and mixed it well and leave it for 5 minutes. After doing this, I added 4 cup, 1 kilogram, Maida Or Flour, salt as you taste, and 1 tablespoon of sugar in a bowl and mixed it well. Then, I add activated yeast with it and mixed it well. Put little amount of water at a time in the mixture and knead Maida. After then add 1 tablespoon of oil with it. You can feel yourself when the kneaded dough turns very soft and smooth. When dough turns very soft and smooth, then cover the dough and keep it aside in a warm place for 1 hour, allowing it to ferment. Look at this, how the dough touch bottom of the plate. Now, I take 4 equal-sized balls from this dough. For prepare these butter naan, we need chopped garlic, chopped coriander leaf, black cumin seed, and butter. Let's prepare butter naan. At first, I take 1 small ball of Maida, apply Maida, and roll into a round circle. After then, sprinkle some black cumin seed on it, and roll softly. I dab some water on the back side of this naan. Now, place this rolled naan on the tawa to cook. Here I show you how to make butter naan without tandoor. Now rotate it for cooking its upside. Low. Okay, at this, our butter naan cooked both sides properly. Now, brush some butter on this butter naan. Let's prepare coriander butter naan. Now, I take 1 small ball of Maida, apply flour, Maida, and roll into a round circle again. After then, sprinkle some black cumin seed and chopped coriander leaf on it, and rolled softly. I dab some water on the back side of this naan. Now, place this rolled naan on the tawa to cook. Here I show you how to make coriander butter naan without tandoor. Now, rotate it for cooking its upside. Now, brush some butter on this coriander butter naan. Let's prepare garlic coriander butter naan. Now again, I take 1 small ball of Maida, and apply Maida, and roll into an oval circle again. After then, sprinkle some chopped garlic, black cumin seed, chopped coriander leaf on it, and rolled it softly. Here, I dab some water on the back side of this naan. After then, I place this rolled naan on the tawa to cook. Now, rotate it for cooking its upside. Now, brush some butter on this coriander butter naan. Now serve butter naan, coriander butter naan, and garlic coriander butter naan with chicken tikka butter masala, or smoky chicken curry, to your guest. If you liked our recipes, then please give this video a big thumbs up. And do not forget to leave your suggestion and comment in the comments section below. You can also hit the subscribe button to get these types of recipes, and don't forget to share this recipe to your loved one. Thanks for watching this video.